Peace, beautiful being, and welcome to your morning meditation. If you're looking to clear your mind and start building new, positive habits, this practice is for you. All you need is a quiet space, a few minutes, and your breath. When you are ready, let's begin. Find a comfortable seat, or you're more than welcome to lie down. Let your hands rest naturally on your lap or by your sides. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in and a long, deep breath out. Deep inhale, deep exhale. One more inhale, fill yourself up with lightness of being. Exhale any heaviness within. Imagine a warm golden light rising like the sun, gently pouring its light over your body. This golden light warms your crown, your face, your shoulders. It lights and warms your chest, your belly, your arms and hands, your legs, your feet. This light warms your entire body. This light fills you with clarity, energy, and renewal. Allow this light to soften your thoughts. Allow it to open your heart. Let your light clear the path for what you're ready to create. Now repeat these affirmations silently or out loud and feel their truth settle within you with each breath. Breathe in. I begin this day with clarity and calm. Breathe in. I am open to creating new positive habits. Breathe in. I release the need for perfection and welcome progress. Breathe in. I honor my body, my mind, and my energy today. Breathe in. Each small step I take matters. Breathe in. I return to my breath when I need to reset. Breathe in. I am present, and that is enough. Take 3 deep breaths here. Visualize your day ahead, not rushed or rigid, but soft and spacious. What is one feeling you want to carry with you today? Let that feeling be your guide. Name it, breathe it in, let that feeling move through you. Inhale and say to yourself, I welcome this feeling. Exhale and say to yourself, I let go of what I cannot control. Deep inhale. Full exhale. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Gently stretch your arms overhead. Smile to yourself. And as you're ready, open your eyes gently and slowly. You have taken a powerful step towards clarity, intention, and the version of you that chooses to show up with purpose. Return to this meditation anytime you need a reset. Have a beautiful rest of your day.